Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two prerequisites: a Google account and a published site that follows AdSense policies. Once done, sign into the AdSense dashboard and click Get Started. Make sure to enter site URL exactly and select account type. You'll verify ownership by adding a meta tag or uploading an HTML file. Choose the easiest for your CMS. After verification, AdSense will request personal and payment details. Fill them accurately so you can receive. Next, you'll generate the actual AdSense code. Go to Ads, choose either Auto Ads for automated placement or create a specific ad unit if you want control. Once you configure responsive settings and ad style, click Save and Get Code. You'll see a short script snippet. Copy it exactly. If you use a CMS like WordPress, paste it into the header via theme settings or a header plugin. Otherwise, add the snippet before the closing head tag of your HTML. Finally, deploy the code and confirm it's live. After adding the snippet, clear caches and load a few pages to check for ad placeholders. Once approved, ads typically show within 24 to 48 hours. Monitor the AdSense dashboard for status and earnings. If nothing appears, review common issues: incorrect placement, JavaScript conflicts, or ad blockers. One troubleshooting tip: open an incognito window with extensions disabled, view your site, and check the browser console for script errors to pinpoint the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.